Westhoughton now, and you can see here they got this Manchester bound platform, got the edging in, so you can see where it changes from the old style of paving to the new style. So going a little bit further along, obviously they've got the edging in, not got the main platform in yet. And on the other side, they made a start of the edging up there. I'm just going to work the way back. Should be a lot better when it's finished. I'm at Crow Nest at the moment, just having a look at progress on the bridge. So from the last video, see the bridge was up in the air on the last video, lifted on them, just have a zoom in on the concrete there. Looking back what they've done at the moment, we've got the abutment walls, that's the correct term for it. Either side now, which are going to be in place. So I can't see much from here, so send the drone up, see what we can see from there. And it was at this stage now, when I was flying the drone, that I looked down at the screen and realised that the road actually opened. I hadn't even spotted that the diverted traffic signs had been moved when I drove down. So I brought the drone in, drove round and had a bit of a wander. So I'm on the new old bridge now, if that makes sense. It can't be, but it actually looks wider. I'm thinking it's because it's all tarmac now. Got this footpath section now. These are the new retaining wall stroke abutments, whatever the technical term is. Open to traffic. Yeah, just a lot more modern. Going to walk down here and you can see how much higher it is now. So it's walking up from Castle Hill Road side. If anybody knows the area, that was pretty flat previously. So you can see how much they has actually raised the bridge up during the process of the electrification. So I think not much more to document here. Trains are running today. Gonna go 158 there. So I think the next video I'm going to do on this will be part of the full scheme. Hoping to do a full scheme video at some point during October, weather, work and daylight permitting on that. So thanks for watching everybody. I'll see you again next time. Thanks everyone. If you want to see more videos on the electrification scheme, click here. And if you can subscribe, I really appreciate it. Thanks again.